Chamberlain here. Welcome back to my channel. The channel, our channel. It's not really, well, I guess it is my channel, but I'd like to consider it our channel because let's face it, this channel couldn't be made possible without all of you guys and gals, and I really appreciate you for coming and watching my silly truck videos and stuff. Anyways, so today I have a brand new 2021, sorry about my watch dinging, 567 Step Forward Heritage Edition. Now, the Heritage Edition is a special package. It comes with a whole bunch of stainless stuff, some chrome stuff, some wood stuff, and it looks fantastic. I know it's not a 389, but it is the next best thing to 389. In fact, one day, people could be saying the Heritage Edition. Maybe, maybe not, I don't know. Anyways, we're gonna take a look because it is a fantastic truck, and you know, give it some time to, I don't know. Here, I'll show you the truck. So this is a 567 Step Forward Axle Heritage Edition. Now with the Heritage Edition, it's basically a special package truck. You've got the limited edition badging. You've got this chrome bezel around your air intakes, which looks absolutely fantastic. You got the chrome mirror arm covers. You've got the stainless skirts from the factory. All this is from factory, which is really awesome. You've got the chrome hood latches that say Peterbilt. Those look fantastic. Now this one, I did get the def tank on the driver's side. I did it right. Custom badging. Well, custom. As custom as ordering a package from a factory can be, but it is custom. It is not just a regular one. You can get a regular one, but the Heritage, my gosh, they are so fine. Now this one is a heavy spec. So with this one, we've got 46,000 pound rear ends. We've got Pete Air Track suspension, 46,000 pound suspension. Take a look here. And these are Eaton diffs. So unlike my last video, right there with an Eaton, you don't have that replaceable collar, but that's the biggest way to tell that it's an Eaton rear diff versus a Meritor rear diff. And you know what? It was asked, what's the difference between Meritor rear diffs and Eaton rear diffs? Do you have a preference? And in all honesty, they each have their pluses and minuses. I bet everybody that's been trucking for a while has a good or a bad review of each. Eaton's got great warranty. I find Eaton really good to work with a warranty, but I do find that in the heavy duty applications, if you do take out diffs on a regular basis, which can happen, I lost my train of thought. The Eatons, if you damage that housing in that race, you got to replace the housing. So, but your odds of getting it covered on warranty are pretty good. But if you have to pay for it, it's going to be expensive. Meritor, it's going to be cheaper. Cheaper to fix if you have to pay for it, but it's a little bit harder to get warranty on some things. And I know their warranty was only up to 4 years for heavy duty applications, where Eaton was 5. And but Meritor is cheaper to replace. You can replace that collar, and so then it comes down to personal preference. It used to be that with Peterbilt, we had to pay a premium to get Meritor rear diffs. So like, we just didn't order them because you'd have to pay $3,000 more for them, and it's like, well, there wasn't $3,000 worth of more value, where now the price is so close, it's really the customer's preference. And you know, sometimes as a salesman, you tend to stick with what you know or what you do a lot. So you know, I've been putting lots of Meritor in my tri-drives. I got lots of customers that like the RZ166. Conversely, in my tandems, you know, I know that the Eaton diffs so well that it's kind of just like common practice to hit the D, you know, like for Super 40s, the D40 170s, the D40, what is it now, D40 171Ps or whatever the heck they are, and these would be D46s. But anyways, enough of that. I'm babbling on. So Meritor, Eaton, what's the difference? preference. I can give you all the pluses and minuses and let you make your own decision, and you know what? We sell them both, and they'll both do the job just fantastic. So moving on, we've got Peterbilt aluminum wheels with the oval. Love the oval. There's actually Star West Peterbilt fuel truck. Now this is one of their older jewels of the fleet, and Star West is a good customer. They like to run Peterbilts because they last a long time. And that one, I believe that one is, what the heck model was that one? That one's been around a while, so they last a long time for them. And look at that, eh? Just fantastic. Gosh, gotta love it. And you know what? I love a 389 as much as the next guy, but these Heritage Edition, man, they just look so good with this new cab. And I'm not saying that just because I'm a Peterbilt salesman. I'm saying that because I really do like them. Look at that. Oh, fantastic. Fantastic. Let's take a look under the hood on this one. Now, the 567 set forward hood isn't as easy to open as the set back. Now, it's not really hard, but it's harder on snow. So, wait 5 minutes. Hey guys, sorry about that. Took 5 minutes and I ended up taking 20. I was just Dan Sexsmith, a good customer of ours in Prince George, just popping by to check out some new Peterbilts. So you never know. Gotta get to work for Dan. But anyways, I will mute this because you guys are more important than my phone right now. And here's a look under the hood. But first, check out Dan's truck. 7.3 dually, anniversary edition. Fantastic. Okay, so once again, focus, Mike, focus. 567 set forward. This one has a 13.2 front axle in it. It does have, I'll just zoom in here. That is where your air filter is, and I'll see if I can pop it off. There we go. It's a firm grasp. So there we go. That is your in-cab filter. Then we just put this back on here like that. Give it a little slide and clip, and that's it. Very, very easy. And if you're in a dirty, dusty conditions like gravel logging, whatever, how easy is that to pull it out, change your filter, and keep that dirt out of your cab? Because once you get it in there, it's hard to get it out. So just a great thing. We've got the X15 565 2050 torque again. I love that engine. Anti-blow down. It's a great option to have if you're ever working under the hood on a windy day. Of course, we've got our Davco fuel water separator. Really like the Davco. The PACCAR is fine, but I just like the Davco a little bit more. Something that PACCAR started doing, well, I don't know if PACCAR started doing it, but certainly Peterbilt started doing it, is they started putting an air fitting on under the hood, which I didn't realize for a little bit. So you can actually air up your truck if it's in the shop without having to fire it up. And on this one, it's actually tucked right in here, right there. You can see it, right there. Quick connect to air up your truck. And actually this little cover should be on there. So we'll pop that back on. Great option for airing up a truck in the shop, so you don't have to build up air, you know, if your air runs down or whatever, if you leave it for a weekend or something like that. But anyways, this is under the hood. Also, this here, the clutch in the 5 Series truck is a hydraulic with air assist. So this is the hydraulics. This is a hydraulic line going down to the slave cylinder. One of the biggest benefits about that is you don't get vibrations through the cab, because no matter which truck you have, if you've got a physical linkage, you can get vibrations through it. And even on our 3 Series cab, if your clutch is out of adjustment and your clutch brake is coming up, it can actually come up to where if you twist, it'll touch the cab and people think they have a vibration, but it's actually your clutch is out of adjustment. So anyways, with that, you don't get that. So it's great. And here is accessory light wiring. So that's great for, you know, chicken lights, and, you know, it's a Peterbilt, gotta have chicken lights and chrome. So anyways, let's go check out the inside now. Hey guys, you know what? I think because I spent so much time talking about the inside, we're gonna do that in a whole nother vlog. So yeah, I'll split it up into two. Otherwise you'll be watching it for like an hour and you'll be like, oh my gosh, what are you doing? So anyways, this is it. 567 Heritage Edition, heavy spec, 46 rears, 13.2 front, 565 horsepower, which is actually, interestingly enough, like 580 or 585, because Cummins tweaks the screw, if you know what I mean. So the 565 works fantastic. You know, certainly you get more bang for your buck than the 605, but 605 is still 605. Anyways, off topic. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button. If you didn't enjoy it, I guess you could hit the unlike button, but then it'll make me feel bad. But that's okay. Or, you know what? Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Holy cow, that guy's coming in hot. Coming in hot! He's gonna crash! No, he didn't crash, but I'd show you the truck, but it's kind of ugly. This is another problem with automatics. Just because you can step on the pedal and make it go fast doesn't mean that you should step on the pedal and make it go fast. But anyways, that's a story for another day. So thanks guys. And as always, stay safe, have fun, appreciate everything you guys are doing. And remember, there's no load that can't wait when it's upside down in the ditch. If you're tired, take a break, get a coffee, have a nap. You know what? Just take 5 minutes, stop, walk around your truck, do whatever makes you feel good, get a little fresh air, and jump back in, crank the tunes, and away we go. So yeah, no load can't wait when it's upside down in the ditch. So anyways, I'm babbling away, so have fun, take care, thanks for watching. Inside videos coming next. Cheers.